Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your local project to the GitHub while creating a new repository. Let's open the terminal. In terminal you can type ls, which stands for release, and we will see all the folders and files in this directory. Also you can write a pvd, which stands for print working directory, and you will see the full path in the folder you're currently in. In my case, I want to create a project on a desktop. That's why I'm writing cd desktop. I'm navigating to this location. I can check one more time as a pvd, and yes, I'm right now in the desktop. Also, I can check all the files and folders in it, and I want to create here the new folder. Type mkdir, and for example, I want to name my folder test. As I press and enter, and now you're creating. To check, you type again ls, and we can see that now its test folder was created. The same, I'm navigating to this folder, typing cd and the folder name, and I'm inside. I'm checking pvd. Yes, I'm inside of test. I can check ls, and it's pretty empty folder. And here to create a file, so you're typing touch and the name of the file. For example, index.html. And also I want to create a styles CSS. Then press enter to see now the folder. I type ls, and I see it's two files was created. To get back for one, step back, you're typing cd dot that we will come back to the desktop. And here, if I will press now ls, I will see again my folder name. To open this folder in the VS Code, which I'm using, I'm typing code and the folder name. I press enter, and the VS Code being open, and we see that we have right now two files that we have created. You can open it, do some changes, and work on it. Then how to create a new repository. You open your GitHub, navigate to repository folders. Here on the top right button, you press new button, and then repository name. In my case, I want to make a test. I'm typing test, and test is available, and I press create repository. When it's been created, in our case, we want to create this new repository through the command line. And it's pretty easy. You just copy all this code, go back to your VS Code, open terminal, and just paste this code to what you have copied on the GitHub. I passed it and press the enter, and it's been connected. It's asked my password. I'm just typing my password, and yeah, now I integrated my local projects to the GitHub. Then you do some changes. For example, in index.html, I do some changes, I do some styles, right? And then you get back to your terminal, you type in git add, and the dot, it means all the files and folders will be added to this repository. Press enter, then you write git commit flag m, and you're writing the commit message. For example, usually it's initial commit. In a quotes mark, and then press enter, and you push these changes to your GitHub by typing git push, press enter, and again typing your password, and that's it. You go back to your GitHub, to your repository named in my case test, and we see all the files that we have created in our local machine. We push to our GitHub. That's how you connect your local machine to your GitHub and creating new Git repository. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and see you!